Yale Assure Lever Lock replaces your existing lever or knob on doors with a single hole, no deadbolt, that are 1 3/8 to 1 3/4 thick with just a screwdriver. No more fumbling with keys, the Assure lever can unlock automatically via Bluetooth as you approach the door with your smartphone. Optional feature, no phone? Just enter your code on the touchscreen keypad. Works with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant and HomeKit, Siri, so you can lock and unlock using just your voice. Alexa can also provide notifications when your battery is running low, so you can proactively replace them. Set up smart reorders through Replenishment to make sure you always have replacement batteries when you need them. Create virtual keys to share with people you trust, set them as permanent keys or to a schedule. Lock-unlock, grant access to others, and see who comes and goes from anywhere using your August app. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.